My name is Reginald Swin Da Kennedy. I'm an artist and I'm the inventor of Fraqtals screen printing machine. What it does is conquer two major issues. One, having to constantly re-register projects and limiting your ability to have multiple projects going at once. Two, this is the world's first high-capacity screen printing machine and heat pressing machine all in one. Also, it has the smallest footprint on the market. So, if you have a limited space, this allows you to utilize your work area. Fraqtals is a 7-year ongoing project. Traditional screen printing machines are one operator machine, and that limits your productivity. Fraqtals allows you to have multiple operators, which speeds up your productivity. That means less time registering, less time printing shirts, more time making money. Larger orders that have taken days to print, you can now complete in just hours. Having returning clients are great, but when you have to re-register multiple color screens, it can be time-consuming. The ability to switch from screen printing to heat pressing in one machine is a game changer. Heat pressing is infamous for its slow production. Fraqtals greatly speeds up this process. Fraqtals is the only universal machine where you can get on the app, find a Fraqtals near you, find a space where you can go and rent out time, bring your register screens, and print. Fraqtals is the only universal screen printing machine on the market. Because of Fraqtals' multiple operator capabilities, unlimited colors, and universal registration system, it's a perfect fit for vocational and maker spaces, public libraries, schools, commercial businesses, and in your home.